Hello, I am Omna. First of all, I would like to thank Rohit sir to give us an opportunity to socialize and express ourselves amidst this pandemic. Coming to the song Butter, released recently by our boys, is definitely a masterpiece. The MV, the rap, the dance break, the vocals speaks loud itself is iconic. The song has left me breathless. It is indeed euphoric. Butter is hot, hot, hot. We are melting. I am addicted already. I can't stop watching it. I'm in love. A well thought concept, as RM said. They took the elevator in Dope, which took them up from the basement, and one in Butter took them to Army's hearts. The hard work is commendable. I purple you all, BTS, Army, everyone out there, I purple you.
Hello, annyeonghaseyo Urban. I am Benika. Okay, so Butter is just amazing. Like literally everything about it is so good. The lyrics, the beat, and the MV of course. MV is really bright and versatile. Initially when I saw Butter pics, I thought it's gonna be some ballad kind of song. But when the teaser come out, I was like, okay, I accept I was wrong. Butter is really energetic and it just lifts up your mood. The lyrics of Butter that I like the most are cool shades turner, I owe it all to my mother. And of course, we got Army behind us when we say so. They never forget to mention armies. So thank you BTS for working so hard for us. Bora hai. Bye bye.
안녕하세요. 저는 말리카입니다. So I'm here to talk about what I loved about BTS Butter. So first of all, it's a new comeback with a new summer song, and the lyrics really melted my heart like butter, and I really bet it. Like it melted all your heart, means all the army's heart out there. And it's such a great song that especially their choreography, which that sexy and cool vibes. And the one thing which amazed me a lot was J-Hop's rap, which was totally different from usual what he does. And the second thing is the elevator part. Oh my god, they looked so great and cool. I mean, they looked so good. And then comes their hair. I mean, the hair color, their funky attires, all were so amazing. And I really loved it. I loved everything, the visuals, the backgrounds, the lightings, everything. And of course, I love them, and I love you all guys too. And I hope you all are safe. So 감사합니다. Thank you. And
Hi, this is Ishita. So what I liked about the song, when I first saw its teaser, I knew it'll gonna be my type of song. I mean the beat, the lyrics, the choreography, oh, I can't stop myself dancing on it. And you know, we needed this type of song just to chill, just for vibing. And the bestest part, we got Army behind us when we say so. Oh, that was so overwhelming. Army and then single, Sarangamida.
hello guys, I'm Vaishnavi. I'm a diehard fan of BTS. BTS is the only band I love forever. BTS is the best band and was biggest band. Recently, BTS new album released Butter. Butter got new records, and I love that song, and my parents also like this song. They also maintain to surprise the armies at all. Their worthless hard work make them number one in the world. BTS don't do so much videos because the videos they create history at all. Their song have a life of centuries because it not come from vocal, it come from soul. BTS life is inspiration to all. And BTS love you, 사랑해.
안녕하세요. 제 이름은 디바입니다. Especially, I would like to thank Rohit sir to giving us this opportunity. And we are talking about BTS new song Butter. It's amazing song, and my favorite part is smooth like butter, criminal undercover. And the way Jungkook kissed his hand, and Suga's rap, and Namjoon also mentioned Army in the song. Really touched my heart. And BTS, we Army, love you, support you. Jungkooka, 사랑해. BTS, 사랑해.
Hello, annyeonghaseyo BTS. Smooth like butter. Just like that, you entered my heart and pushed me towards happiness and positivity. Butter is a summer chant. It's a song filled with love, dance, passion, craziness. When I first listened to it, I almost forgot everything and only remembered butter. Your hairstyle, your outfit, your dance move makes my heart flutter. I love that elevator part and your solo freestyle dance, which I continuously see on repeat. The way you show your love towards Army makes me so proud that I am fan of you. Thank you BTS for all your dedication and hard work just to make Army smile. Sarange BTS, Borahe!
Hi! First of all, congratulations on your new single Butter. It is absolutely amazing. It has a really groovy vibe to it which make us feel happy and make me feel like dancing. You guys have a really special way to make us feel connected even when we are all isolated. And your songs, all of them are amazing. And especially the lyrics thing. I really love the lyrics of all the songs because it makes me feel understood and loved by, I don't know, I just feel loved. I really listen to the songs and I'm like, okay, I matter, I'm valid. So thank you so much for being such a positive ray of hope in my life, and I guess in everybody's life. You guys are so amazing. Just keep on doing what you're doing. I really love you guys.
So what I liked in that song was the part where BTS makes that army sign in their music. I loved the whole song, but that part was the part where I literally cried when they said that got army behind us. So it was like they know about us. They know that how much dedicated we as a fandom are towards them, and I was so happy at that part. I can't explain it in words. The whole song is a masterpiece in my opinion, and no one else can perform it as better as BTS. BTS were born to perform that song. I'm not exaggerating. That song is literally a very nice song in my opinion. I literally loved it. And that part, as I mentioned earlier, that army part is just, it shows how much they as an idol loves their fandom. No one else can love us the way they love us. Thank you.
Annyeonghaseyo everyone. Myself Falguni K from Karnataka. I'm 11 years old and I love BTS. They inspire me a lot and I love their music, and I thank my elder sister for introducing BTS to me. Sarange BTS and Army. Get it? Let it roll. Bora hai.
Annyeonghaseyo, I'm Tanya. Hope you are all good. So I found BTS during DNA era, and from those days I literally found an angel for my problematic life. So recently BTS have released Butter, and I really love it. The summer vibe it gives, it is just so awesome. Especially the rap line, they did their very best, and of course their English did improve. I really love the summer song. It is gonna be my summer song forever. Borahe, Borahe.
Annyeonghaseyo. My name is Deepika and I'm from Meerut. And first of all, I would want to say big thanks to Mr. Rohit Khilnani for giving me this great opportunity to send my message to BTS. I just lack words to describe my feelings and love to our boys, but I just want to say a big thanks for giving us Butter this year. They literally saved our summer this year too, and last year they gave us Dynamite, and that saved our summer. And BTS always knows ways to make us happy, always uplift us during hard times, and I just want to give them a big thanks. They're saving lives, they're teaching us how to love ourselves, and I just can't say enough thanks for that. I just want to say, please guys, give yourself tight hugs from our sides, and please love yourselves too. We love you a lot. Sarangi.
Hi everyone, I am Meghna from Haldwani, Uttarakhand, and today I am talking about BTS new album Butter. So the point that I like the album so much is that I love the album because of their music and their lyrics. The lyrics were so amazing and the music was also so good. I was actually very excited when the Butter teaser came out, and as we know that Butter is breaking records day by day, and I love the way their choreography was also so good. I was happy to see them, and I was so amazed when I see that they made ARMY with themselves. So all I want to say that I love this song, and Sarangi BTS.
Hello everyone, Ishita this side. First and foremost, I would like to thank Rohit Khilnani sir for giving us this platform where we can speak our heart out for BTS. When I first listened to their music, it didn't take me a moment to become ARMY. They spread such strong message through their music, and now the septet is manifesting change through philanthropy, their message of unity, inclusion. They've always encouraged love and kindness, which makes them so special. Now talking about Butter. So Dynamite dominated the music scene last year, and now they're back with Butter, which is as compelling as its predecessor. When I first heard it, I played it on repeat. You just want to groove to the beats. It is so infectious. We all know about their love for their flamboyant costumes to elaborate makeup, and here also from looking dapper in their suits to casually slaying our hearts in their sportswear, they were just amazing. Their hair color, it was like the talk of the town. And got ARMY right behind us when we say so. That part hit right here. It was so sweet. So Butter is and will keep on smashing records, and we will continue supporting our boys till the very end. For BTS, I wish nothing but good health and success forever. Thank you very much. Sarangi.
You added that ARMY behind you part in the song, and we were really shocked, and we didn't know how to react to it. We are very happy. We are very happy. Thank you for thank you. Just thank you. We really love you, adore you for your work, for your hard work, precisely. And we also love you for your personality. We genuinely care about you and what we all do collectively.
Hello, namaste, annyeonghaseyo. I hope you all are fine and going great. Here I want to thank Rohit Khilnani sir for giving me this golden opportunity to say something about Butter. I am as connected to BTS as heart connected to its veins. BTS are everything for me. Talk about Butter. The day before Butter song was releasing, I was not well because I got vaccinated and my body was paining so badly. But the next morning, as I wake up and I listen to the song, oh my god, it's just a miracle happened with my soul. My energy and enthusiasm was in the highest peak, and my fever had just gone like it never came. Every time when I'm in a pain, when I'm in a depression and difficulty, BTS help me a lot. BTS heal me every time, and they heal me with their smile, with their speeches, with their song, and I can't express my feeling because I am so emotionally connected with BTS. Thank you is a very little word for the work they had done, but yet I want to thank them with my heart and soul. And here I written something for them, that BTS is not a gold, not a diamond, because gold and diamond are only used for showpiece. But for me, my BTS is a soft soil who generate love crops, blessing crops, and inspiration crops in the ARMY's heart. Thank you so much BTS for coming in my life. We are so grateful to have you.